Hey cooking peeps, we have something very special in the kitchen today. The nice people over at Efficient Kit sent us a stand mixer to try out. This is a commercial mixer. They make mixers for the commercial industry, but they're also great for the home cook because they're countertop and they're powerful. And we are very lucky and honored to have one of the first mixers that have ever come to the US from Efficient Kit. So join me as we unbox a stand mixer from Efficient Kit. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Efficient Kit for sending this mixer. I'm really honored to have this in our kitchen today. Efficient Kit makes mixers for the commercial industry, and all their mixers have been sold in Asia. And Efficient Kit is looking into bringing these mixers to the US. And like I said, this is one of the first one, if not the first one, that has ever landed on US soil. And I'm really honored and thankful that we get to try it out, give them some feedback, how we like the mixer, and put this baby to the test. So now, let's get it out of the box. So the people at Efficient Kit are really nice. And I've seen pictures of their factory, and it is unbelievable. It's very impressive. So let's get this baby open. I've been dying to see this mixer. I've had it for about a week and a half, and it's been sitting here saying, "Open me, open me." We're gonna put it through our regular test. This thing is really big, huh? We're gonna put it through our regular test. We're gonna do some whipped cream, we're gonna do some cookies, and we're gonna do some bread dough. So, oh wow. Woohoo! Let me see if I can get it out of here. This is awesome. This is awesome. I'm going to tell you there's something really interesting in this. When I got a little short video when this mixer was being put together, and this is such a unique mixer. When I just see the little sticker here, it says model number Amy Edition. I love it.
Wow.
That is so cool.
We got our own model name.
Oh my God, I love it.
You want to lift this up here?
To say that I'm honored to have this mixer is a total and complete understatement. When I see this, I will show this to you. Wow. I really appreciate it. And the mixer is fantastic. Look at this baby. Woo! Wow. It is, I love it. Look at this. It is adorable. I love the color. Now check this out, guys. I got my very own mixer. Look at this. The model number is the Amy Edition. I love it. Thank you very much. I absolutely love that. I saw this mixer being made on the video, And I can't believe it is here. So let's get this thing out of here. The Amy mixer, right? So here's our bowl. And let's see if we can unwrap this. So here's our bowl. This bowl is huge. 7-quart bowl. Look at that bad boy. Nice. That bowl is really nice. It's got a handle. Let's see what we got here. Wow. These are really nice attachments. So look at the whip on this sucker. Wow, that is really nice. Quite a bit of weight to it. Nice. Let's see, we got our dough hook.
How much that weigh?
It's just like solid. Okay, so here is our whisk, our whip. Wow, that thing is huge. Look at the paddle on this thing. Wow, that is awesome. It has a little screw right here where you can adjust. Most mixers have an ability to adjust the paddle up and down so it's close to the bottom of the bowl, but you don't want it scraping the bottom of the bowl. And here's our dough hook. These things are heavy, heavy attachments. So let's go ahead and I plugged this thing in, and we're going to go ahead and lift the tilt head. And we're going to put on let's put on the whip. There we go. So it's just like any other mixer. It's just like up there and over. We're going to lower the tilt head down. Nice. Now guys, this is a commercial mixer. This is built for mixing. It also is cute because of the color, but the purpose of this mixer is straight up making food, right? So let's fire this baby up. It's very, very quiet. This is actually one of the quietest mixers I've ever seen. We're up on a 5. Wow. It's really, really quiet. Sweet. Oh my gosh. I would say, listen to it. This is actually the quietest mixer I've ever used. Super, super quiet. Wow. I love it. Tilt the head up. Again, take the attachment off. This is our paddle. I mean, look at the paddle on this sucker. That is nice. Sweet. Sweet. Turn it on. Look at that. Think you can make some cakes in there? It is so quiet. Wow. Sweet. Thanks, Efficient Kit. I'm really going to enjoy putting this baby to the test. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our traditional stand mixer test on this. We're going to whip some cream, we're going to make some cookies, and we're going to make some bread dough. Once again, I want to thank Efficient Kit for sending us this mixer. I am absolutely out of my mind. I look at this and I'm like the Amy edition, right? I love it. I will put a link down in the description to their website. Not exactly sure when this mixer is going to be available in the US, but we're going to give them some good feedback as to what we think about this mixer, and then we'll see. Hopefully it will be coming to the US soon. Once again, thank you, Efficient Kit. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. My Facebook group is facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And my Instagram is Cookin' with Amy.